Hello everyone, this is Chris. Welcome back to Nathan 5 Chime. Today I wanted to show you a little train collection I picked up this summer. It's a remainder of a collection I've showed earlier where I did some unboxings and where I got a lot of the wooden shelves I show in a few previous videos. So this is just a clip of walking around the boxes and things like that. It's not showing you all the individual pieces. So this is just kind of a fun video of all the collection I purchased. I just thought I'd try out my new phone. Here's the collection of trains I just purchased. Some of these boxes I already had that back here, but this shelf, the new shelf here, is all new. All these items are new. Transformers down there, and these matchboxes, and actually this whole box of trains is new. Trains back here on this back shelf, the wire shelf, are new. All the trains over here, from the red boxes on top on down, is new. All across here, all these boxes, all these big large boxes from Lowe's are filled with trains. All those classic toy train magazines. Bunch of track. The other side of the shelf. Bridges and stations and I guess switches. Got stuff in that cabinet back there. Let's see. Here's what's in some of this box here. All these freight cars. Noma Station. Just so much stuff packed up, piled up, you can't really see it all. So I'll have to start digging through some of these boxes and give you a look at what's in here. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. I just wanted to show you all the old trains I purchased, and that'll be really fun to go through all the boxes and see what's there. I do know most of what's there, but I had a friend help pack it up, and he packed up half the boxes, so I'm not really sure of all the things that are there. So it'll be fun to show you when I go through them. Everyone take care. See you next time.